Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I'm just coming back from a bit of a break. I had to do some stuff at school. I'll talk about that just a little bit later. But if you're not new, go ahead and hit the like button if you like this video. Today we're going to be doing a cinematic, and yeah, that's pretty much it, because I love cinematics. It was a day I actually had free, so right now we're going to be heading down to do some cinematics, and I hope you do enjoy this video. So a little about where I was this week and how all my uploading schedules and all that has been. So my uploading schedule is very indefinite right now because I have this thing called a Rube Goldberg competition. If you do not know what a Rube Goldberg competition is basically you complete a simple task by making a complicated version of steps. So I'll be doing that competition in like 2 weeks. So I'll put up a live stream on the channel, not actually live streaming it, but I'll leave it in the description where it can be found, the channel. So you can just find that on my school's channel. So hopefully that should be cool. Yeah, I don't really know of anything else. So I will catch you guys at the end of the video. I hope you guys did enjoy. I had really fun filming this one. It was a nice day. As you can see, the sun is shining. So I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, go ahead and hit the like button. I will see you next time in another video.